on to the next presentation. So artificial intelligence is almost everywhere, and everyone should have the right to know more about it. Sponsored by Omnia AI Lab, a multi-sector education provider and regional development center, our team has been working to alleviate fears of AI and provide fun examples of how it is applied in everyday products. So let's welcome Samuli and Dipesh to tell us more about the secrets of AI.
Oh, I go with this one. Okay. La la la. Sorry about that, little problems with my mic.
Hello, everyone. I'm an English artificial intelligence anchor. This is my very first day in Xinhua News Agency. My voice and appearance are modeled on Zhang Zhao, a real anchor with Xinhua. The development of the media industry calls for continuous innovation and deep integration with the international advanced technologies. I will work tirelessly to keep you informed as texts will be typed into my system, uninterrupted. I look forward to bringing you the brand new news experiences.
Today, AI is everywhere. Year by year, we can expect it to be more and more in our lives. For example, 85% of customer service interaction will be based on AI. And guess by what year? 2020. So we're talking about next year. Also, oh, sorry about that. AI-related business globally is expected to grow up to 40 billion euros by 2025. So in 6 years, we're talking about a business which is 40 times to what it is now. It's a big, hefty sum, so no wonder that, for example, the Finnish government is taking interest here. They want a piece of the slice. And on a ministry level, there's a plan to make Finland the leading country in deploying AI. There is a slight problem, or let's make it more a challenge in this case. We happen to be the worst when it comes to knowing about AI in Europe. Indeed, according to a research done by OMD Finland, less than 50% of the Finns actually think that they know about AI. Even worse, almost 50% of the Finns think that they even need AI. Even worse, less than 14% actually trust AI. So we got a challenge if we want to make Finland the leading country in AI, right? To tackle that challenge, we are Team Omnia, and we will be building an AI truck. You will be getting details about the truck later on. I just want to say first that we have a cool project in our hands, which is gaining a lot of attention. We, of course, have our sponsor company Omnia with us, but we're also partnering with big players such as Microsoft, Lenovo, and we have also City of Espoo on board with us. In addition to gaining national interest, we're also gaining international interest. We have, for example, BBC will be making an interview with Omnia about this. So, as I said, we will be building an AI truck. So why a truck? Our purpose is to educate people about AI and make it available for everybody. So hence the truck. We can take our AI education experience to all corners of Finland. In fact, there is a plan already in place for taking the truck on tour around Finland. That will be starting in May. So we will be visiting all corners of Finland. But the real beef here is what's going to happen inside the truck. Dipesh, you might want to shed a light on that?
Yeah.
There you go.
So now we have the truck, but we wanted to make this experience a more fun way of learning. So we decided this room to be an escape room. Why an escape room? We wanted to teach about AI in more fun way of learning. We didn't want to give you lectures about AI sitting around. So that's the reason we chose AI. And once you complete the puzzles, there you have it, the experience of escape room, the achievement feeling, and then you have the knowledge of AI. So let's talk about what's going to be happening inside the truck. We decided to divide the truck in 4 parts. The first part is the introduction area, where the instructor will tell you what's going to happen inside the truck, and also there's going to be a small waiting area where you can play around with prototypes that are available currently and that we are building to get a clear idea that's what's going to happen inside. The second part of this truck is going to be the present room. That is, it will show the technologies of the present where AI is currently there. And we are building a lot of cool prototypes for this room. We have smart mirrors, we are having HoloLens experience, hand gesture controlled robots, and devices that are currently using AI. And once you complete these puzzles, you unlock the door to the third part of the truck, that is the future room. So this room will tell you more about the technologies of the future and what's going to be AI like in the future. So this room, we wanted to give you a glimpse of the future using virtual reality. We will have a lot of headsets of virtual reality where you have to solve the puzzles, and then there you have it. Once you solve the puzzles, you have the AI experience, and you have elevated your fear from AI, and you have learned about AI. But it doesn't end here. We are also planning to have an after experience application where when you are done with the escape room, you get to know more about AI, the recent updates, the future of AI, and stuff like that. And then we are not limiting ourselves to this. We are making this project open source, so developers and contributors can contribute to this project and make this AI more happier. With this, we are also doing the construction and design of the project. We have an Omnia AI room where we have this area. We are going to build the mock-up in this room, and we are building the skeleton in this room with the interiors and the prototype inside this. And once we get the truck in April, we will disassemble this room. We'll move everything inside the truck in April. And in parallel to this, we are doing the prototyping and testing. We are building the smart mirrors. We are building hand gesture devices. We are building robots. We are building the HoloLens experiences, the virtual reality experience, and a lot of cool stuff going on in this project. And once we have the prototyping ready, the construction done, and then we assemble everything inside the truck when we get that in April, and the truck will hit the road. But before that, Samuli has something exciting for you guys.
Yes, exactly. Before the truck, as Dipesh said, goes anywhere, we got a cool offer for you guys. We want you to be the first ones to test it and give your feedback. Oh, sorry, I was supposed to do that. So once we're done with the prototypes, we will invite you guys to test it out. This is a cool way for you guys to be part of our journey and contribute to our project, and at the same time, learn about AI yourself, of course. We are Team Omnia. We are a team of developers, engineers, occupational therapists, AI robots, business people, what else? I think that's pretty much it. And together, we are building the happiest AI in the world.
Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room.
Thank you.
Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy.
Thanks, Samuli and Dipesh. Can't wait to see and experience the AI track. Okay, so far we've had so many interesting